Hi, I'm Lazy, and today we're going to have a look at my half shafts. I've pulled them out because I need to replace the wheel studs. Also, it's a good idea just to check to make sure the splines on the half shafts are nice and straight and the half shaft itself hasn't twisted. So let's go and have a quick look. As you can see, the half shafts, I've actually taken it out now and I've started installing the new studs. The new studs, they're going from the back. They're actually capped heads bolts, but what I've done, I've cut the old ones out, I've re-tapped them just to clean the threads out. And then what I do, I want to wind them in sort of most of the way. Just leave about, I don't know, about 10 mil, or in the old money, it's about ½ inch, isn't it? Something like that. And the idea of that, I'm going to just wind them up like that. Get them near to the end. Should be nice and easy to go. Right up to the end. Quite slow, isn't it? A little bit more. A little bit more. So at least about ½ inch, so I can still get an Allen key in there. The idea is to leave a little bit sticking out, and I'll clean the threads up, and I'm just going to put a little bit of thread lock on it. It shouldn't make any difference, but they won't unwind because the wheels are holding them on, but just to be sort of belt and braces. Right, I'm going to have a quick look now at the splines. If I can get something to pick them up with. It's a bit oily. I don't know if you'll be able to see this or not. The splines, let's get nice. So get a nice clean bit of rag, but what I've got is a dirty piece. As you can see, they're actually true as anything, really nice and clean, nice and straight, nothing wrong with them whatsoever. So they can go straight back in. The shafts I've got are actually made by Strange, and they've got such a fantastic reputation. It'd be a fool not to use them anyway. So they've been in there for about 8 years. They've had loads of abuse. There's absolutely nothing wrong with them, so they can go straight back in. Right, this is the last one. I didn't want to bore you putting the other ones in because it's only just winding the thread in. So let's get this one right up in here. That little plate you can see there, it's just a spacer plate that comes with it. So let's wind it up a little bit more. And I'll cut the turns, and what we'll do, we'll just pop the half shaft back in place. We don't need any sealer or anything like that, because on the main bearing of the half shaft, which is, you can see, which is there, there's a nice O-ring, and I've actually inspected, there's no nicks or marks on it, so that can go straight back in. What we'll do later on is drain the oil and refresh it, and just have a quick look at it, make sure there's no iron filings or metal filings in it, so it should be good. These screwdrivers in the side here just to stop the half shaft falling out. So everything's good. We don't need to wipe the surfaces too much because the O-ring is going to seal it anyway. So without further ado, let's get the half shaft back in. Hopefully the splines can line up, which they do. Give it a little tap in. That's it. And now it's just a question of bolting it back up again. The brackets here, these for the brakes, for the brake calipers, what that's called then, the brake calipers. I've actually got a nice pair of stainless steel ones, but I can't really be asked to sort of look for them, but I might do actually, because they're a bit better than this. This is one that I've made up years ago. It's held together, that hasn't caused any great problems, so I will go and find the stainless steel ones, they will look better. Anyway, that's pretty much it. All I've got to do now is bolt it up, do the other side, give it a coat of paint, stick it back on the car. Well, thanks for looking. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to see more videos, and I'll see you next time. Bye now.